ladies and gentlemen, to another wonderful episode of The Wonders of Science with Mr. Whybrew. This is Season 2, Episode 49, and in this episode we're going to answer the question, what is asking a question? Now, asking a question, we understand as we have been doing that since, of course, Season 1, and of course, before and beyond that. But in answering this question, I'm asking specifically, what does it mean in the context of the scientific method? What does it mean to ask a question in the context of the scientific method? Does anyone know? Does anyone? Anyone? All right, let me go ahead and quickly answer that question. So, what does it mean to ask a question in the context of the scientific method? Well, that is to ask a specific question you have based on, remember, your observation in the natural world, which you will then make a hypothesis about. Now, remember, we've already talked about a number of these terms, haven't we? We've already talked about what the scientific method is and the steps involved in it. We've talked about what observation is. We've talked about what a hypothesis is. Now, notice something specifically I said about what it means to ask a question within the context of the scientific method within science. I said it is a specific question, meaning that the question you ask is related to the observation you made. Pretty cool. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's move on now to our fun science fact of the day. This should really get you thinking. There is a pun, promise. I promise, okay? Get this. About 75% of the brain is made up of water. In other words, there's fluids up there. Now, I'm not saying that we just simply have this little shell and inside of our shell is our water brain. No, I'm just saying that it needs hydration. And this is why it's pretty obvious that the body needs water. Pretty cool. And I just thought it was something I'd like to share with you. Cool, huh? All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for joining me for another wonderful episode of The Wonders of Science with Mr. Whybrew. Keep an eye out for the question that will be at the end of the video. And as always, enjoy the wonders of science. Good day and goodbye. Take care.